In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Expedia and manage your account settings with ease. Whether you're planning a trip or just want to ensure your profile is up to date, this guide will help you get there smoothly. Let's start by going to the Expedia website. This is your starting point for booking flights, hotels, and more. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the array of travel options Expedia offers, like flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages. But for today's purpose, we're concentrating on your personal account settings. Next, you'll want to go directly to your profile. You can usually find this by looking for your account icon or your name if you're already signed in. Clicking here should open a drop-down menu that gives you access to various account options. Select the option labeled Account. This step is essential for managing your personal details and settings, giving you control over your online travel preferences. Once you've entered your account page, you're going to look for Security and Settings. This section is where all the crucial privacy settings and account controls are located. These settings are important for maintaining the security of your account and ensuring your personal information is handled according to your preferences. Within the Security and Settings area, you'll find an option for account management. This is where you have control over your search history and saved data. In this section, look for an option labeled Clear Search and Saved Data. This feature is helpful if you want to reset your account's search history or remove any saved items you no longer need. It's a simple way to keep your account tidy and current. However, for this particular walkthrough, this specific option might not be available to us. You might wonder why that is. Sometimes certain options or features might not appear in the list if they aren't applicable to your account or if there have been recent updates that modify their accessibility. But don't worry, this doesn't affect the other capabilities of your account settings. And that's it. You've navigated through Expedia to access and manage your account settings. Remember, keeping your account information updated and secure is vital for a smooth travel planning experience. Thank you for tuning in today. With this know-how, you can confidently adjust your Expedia account as needed, ensuring your travel plans are always just a click away. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Safe travels and happy planning!